All right, YouTube. So I have the Marineland Magniflow 360 right out of the box. Hooked it up. Everything went great. Primed it, plugged it in, and I got the rattling noise that you see a bunch of videos of people asking about. One of the comments talked about removing the a couple flaps by the priming bulb. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So basically take the lid off. There's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Unscrew those. That comes off. The top lid comes off. Whoops. You unscrew these 4 screws here. Take that off. And there's 2 flaps here. 1 flap. 2 flaps. So I'm gonna screw this back on and put it back together, and hopefully that noise is gone. All right, so plugged it back in. Water's running through it, and I hear 0 noise except for the water running through it. So definitely a design flaw there. Hopefully there are no issues with me taking those flaps out, but I guess we'll see what happens down the line. Hopefully this helps you guys out.